welcome back to English Language and Literature YouTube channel. Today I have a book recommendation for English learners. If you're learning English and want to improve your skills while reading, I have the perfect book, which is called The Little Prince by Antonio de Saint-Exupéry, I think. Excuse my French. It is simple, magical, and great way to build your English vocabulary, so let's get started. Let's talk about why this book is great for English learners and why you should read it. So, what's this book about? Well, The Little Prince tells the story of a young prince who travels from planet to planet, meeting all kinds of people, like all kinds of interesting characters actually. A king, a businessman, a fox, and even a talking rose. Each of them teaches him a lesson about life, love, and friendship. Don't let this book's simplicity fool you, because this book isn't just for kids. It has a deep, meaningful messages about life, and when you read it, you think what's really important in life, I think, yeah.
Sire, over what do you rule?
Over everything.
And the best part, the way it's written makes it super easy to understand and read. So, why Little Prince such a great book for English learners? Well, first of all, the language is simple but powerful. The sentences are short, so you won't feel overwhelmed while you're reading the book. But they still carry a lot of meaning, so you learn from those meanings. Well, second, it's full of useful vocabulary, since the words are repeated naturally throughout the book. You'll remember them more easily. For example, take this famous line: "One sees clearly only with the heart. What is essential is invisible to the eye." This sentence not only teaches an important life lesson, but also helps you learn words like essential and invisible in context. And finally, the chapters are short, so even if you read just a little bit each day, you'll make steady progress without feeling like it's too long. Okay, so learning English is important, but it should also be fun. Thankfully, this book has lots of pictures. Let me show you the character. This is Little Prince. And there are lots of different pictures throughout the book, like there are lots of illustrations, you can enjoy them, and maybe you can use the illustrations to understand the book as well, so that's a great point. The story is full of imagination, adventure, and emotions. It makes you feel something while you read the book and also look at the pictures. And because it's translated into so many languages, you can even compare it with your native language to understand it better. So, if you're looking for a book that's easy to read, full of life lessons, and perfect for learning English, The Little Prince is the one. And I don't know if you read it in your own language or have you heard it before, so let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification button for more English videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.